Artificial intelligence is evolving at breakneck speed, and today we're diving into the battleground of AI agents. AutoGen, LangGraph, CrewAI. These powerful frameworks are reshaping how we interact with AI. But which one reigns supreme? In the next 12 minutes, we'll dissect these cutting-edge technologies, revealing their strengths, weaknesses, and real-world applications. I'm Amit Lal, and this is Lal AI, where we unpack the future of intelligent automation. What are AI agents? Before we dive into our comparison, let's tackle a crucial question. What exactly is an AI agent? Unlike traditional chatbots that simply respond to predefined prompts, AI agents are autonomous software entities designed to perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. While chatbots are limited to scripted responses, AI agents can plan complex tasks, interact with multiple tools and data sources, learn and adapt from their experiences, execute actions independently. Think of it like this. If a chatbot is a simple calculator, an AI agent is more like a personal assistant with a degree in problem solving. But how do these agents actually work? How AI agents work? AI agents operate on 4 key principles. Planning. They break down complex goals into manageable steps. Tool interaction. They can use various software tools and APIs. Memory and knowledge. They store and retrieve relevant information. Execution. They can perform actions based on their decisions. But here's where it gets really interesting. What if we could have multiple AI agents working together, each specializing in different tasks? This is where multi-agent systems come into play. Imagine a team of AI experts, each bringing their unique skills to solve complex problems. Sounds amazing, right? Now, let's dive into our contenders, LangGraph, CrewAI, and AutoGen. Each of these frameworks brings something unique to the table. But which one will come out on top? Let's find out. LangGraph, the new kid on the block. First up, we have LangGraph, the fresh face in the AI agent world. But don't let its youth fool you. LangGraph is bringing some serious innovation to the table. Pros, cons. 1. Innovative graph-based approach. 1. Limited support for complex, hierarchical agent structures. 2. Clean, organized code structure. 2. Relatively new, with fewer real-world case studies. 3. Excellent documentation with practical examples. 3. Steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with graph-based workflows. 4. Seamless integration with LangChain ecosystem. LangGraph shines in areas like web scraping, customer service, and code assistance. But can it handle more complex, multi-agent scenarios? That's where its limitations start to show. CrewAI, the Goldilocks solution. Next, we have CrewAI, the framework that's aiming to be just right. Not too old, not too new, but packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. Pros, cons. 1. Hierarchical agent structure for team-like collaboration. 1. Lacks native support for dynamic planning. 2. Built on LangChain for enhanced compatibility. 2. Documentation is less comprehensive compared to competitors. 3. Easy customization with agent and task definitions. 3. Limited flexibility for highly complex, non-hierarchical agent interactions. 4. Support for both local and cloud-based language models. CrewAI excels in scenarios that require a clear chain of command, like simulating a company's structure or managing complex projects. It's like having a virtual team of AI experts at your fingertips. AutoGen, the powerhouse. Last but certainly not least, we have AutoGen, the seasoned pro in the AI agent arena. Developed by Microsoft, AutoGen has been making waves with its robust features and recent updates. Pros, cons. 1. Mature and battle-tested in complex, real-world scenarios. 1. Can be complex for beginners to set up and use effectively. 2. Powerful multi-agent support with flexible configurations. 2. Potential for high API costs in certain usage scenarios. 3. Containerized code execution for enhanced safety. 3. Risk of infinite loops if not properly configured. 4. Autonomous problem-solving through sophisticated feedback cycles. 5. Recent AutoGen 3.0 update with enhanced UI and features. AutoGen truly shines in complex, mature projects where its depth of features and reliability come to the forefront. The recent AutoGen 3.0 update has addressed many previous limitations, making it an even more formidable contender. Real-world applications. Now that we understand these frameworks, let's explore how AI agents are revolutionizing various industries. Healthcare, AI agents assisting in diagnosis and treatment planning. Finance, automated trading and risk assessment. Customer service, intelligent chatbots that handle complex queries. Education, personalized learning assistants. Software development, AI pair programmers and code reviewers. But here's a thought-provoking question. As AI agents become more advanced, how will they change the way we work and live? Will they augment human capabilities or replace certain jobs entirely? As we've seen, AI agents are no longer science fiction. They're here, and they're changing the game across industries. While LangGraph brings innovation and CrewAI offers a balanced approach, AutoGen's maturity and powerful features make it the top contender for complex AI agent tasks. But what do you think? Which framework excites you the most? How do you see AI agents shaping your industry or daily life? Remember, the field of AI is evolving rapidly. What seems cutting edge today might be commonplace tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and adaptable. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of AI agents. I'm Amit Lal, and until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay curious about the endless possibilities of AI.